Today in the Bontex workshop, I'm actually out in my garden. I just wanted to share with you this planter that I created. In this case, it's for onions, but this is a hexagon planter that can be used for anything that's got to be spaced 4 inches apart. The STL file for this will be up on Thingiverse. I'll have a link to that in the description. To use this planter, I'm just going to place it in the corner right here and press down. Obviously, right along the wood, we're not going to be planting, but this gives us our first set of holes. And then I'm just going to move it over so I can see there's one right here and one right here. So we just line this up, press that in. Again, can't get too far. It's not going to fit. So then we just find our next set of holes like this and we press in. We just keep doing this all the way down. Oh, there we go. Like that. This. Like this. And we can add like this. Like this. Now, everywhere there's a little indentation, this is a 1/4 inch deep and just under a 1/4 inch in diameter, and that is what we need for our onion seeds. So we're just going to go ahead and plant some onion seeds right here where I've pressed out the holes. So we're just going to drop a couple seeds here. 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 There you have it. That's all. There you have it. That's all there is to it. You just press it down and then you put your seeds in the hole and cover them up. Hope you enjoyed and hope you download this to help you with your gardening. Please like and subscribe.